Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will learn a new useful tip for creating useful content for your YouTube or any other social media platform. But before starting the video, please support us by subscribing the channel. Now, let's get started.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to access the powerful ChatGPT-4 language model without spending a dime. Let's get started. Method 1: Microsoft Bing Chat. First up, we have Microsoft Bing Chat. You can use GPT-4 for free on Bing without any limitations. Here's how. 1. Head over to bing.com/new. 2. Click on Chat Now. 3. Switch to the creative mode. This uses the GPT-4 model. 4. Ask your questions and get answers live from the internet. You can also install the Bing app, available for Android and iOS, and enable the GPT-4 toggle. Now you're ready to chat with GPT-4 without any restrictions. Method 2: Perplexity AI. Let's explore Perplexity AI. It's an AI-powered search engine that combines its database with the internet. Here's how to access ChatGPT-4 there. 1. Visit the official Perplexity AI website. 2. Click on Sign Up to create an account. 3. Toggle on the Copilot option in the search bar to enable the GPT-4 model. 4. Ask your questions. You get 5 queries every 4 hours. Watch as Copilot uses GPT-4 to provide enhanced search results and better information. And there you have it. 2 simple ways to use ChatGPT-4 for free. Whether you prefer Bing or Perplexity AI, you can now tap into the power of GPT-4 without paying a cent. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, Copilot is your free ticket to AI greatness.
Thank you for watching. For more informative videos on artificial intelligence and latest update on technology, like and share this video and subscribe to our channel.